Hello children, in this video you are going to do the second book back exercise which is in your book page number 56 only. Okay, so this is also the exercise on auxiliary verbs only. In the previous video you have learnt about how to make questions using the auxiliary verbs. Am I right? So in the previous video you have already learnt about the auxiliary verb. How can we change it, how can make questions with the usage of it. Okay, so in this video we are going to do the book back exercise on auxiliary verbs only. Okay, so here they have given some wrong questions, so someone has formed the wrong questions, so you need to check it, you need to check and you have to correct them only. Okay, already we know the two rules to change, to make it into the questions. What are the two rules? Yes, if there is an auxiliary verbs and also the main verb means we can directly make the question by writing the auxiliary verb at the subject place and then subject and then only the main verb. Okay, if there is no auxiliary verb means we need to use the do form verb in the sentence. First what will be the do form verb, then the subject and then only the main verb. So these are the two rules. Now based upon the rule we need to check whether they have used them correctly or not. Okay, are you ready to do it? Yes, let's start. So there are 6 questions on the board. Let's do one by one. Has he have a new bike? As he have a new bike. So while checking it correctly, you need to check the sentence first. Okay, leave the first word and check this sentence alone. He have a new bike. He have a new bike. It means the verb have acting as the main verb only. So there is no auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary verb means which rule we need to use? Yes, we need to apply the do form verb only in place of auxiliary verb. But here they have used the verb has itself. So that is the wrong. So remember that if a verb, if an auxiliary verb act itself as the main verb, you need to use the do form verb. That is the second rule only. So here this question is wrong only. Now we need to change it. So here they have used has. It means has or have means they are talking about the present only, and the subject here is this he only, that is the singular person. So in the for the singular person in the present time, which do form verb we will use? Yes, we will use does only. So here the answer will comes like does, then he, all other words will come as it is. Does he have a new bike? It ends with question mark. So this is the correct question. Does he have a new bike? Because here the verb have or has acting itself as the main verb, so that we have used do form verb. Okay. So when there is no auxiliary verb, we need to use do form verb only. When there is no auxiliary verb. Okay. Let's do the second one. Is Sailu finish her work yesterday? Is Sailu finish her work yesterday? It means they are talking about the past time only, but the question, the auxiliary verb, they have used the present time verb only, but this is the wrong. And also, can you find any ing here? Because when we use be form verb, no, when we are using be form verb, auxiliary verb, the main verb should ends with ing. Here, finish is the main verb. Does it ends with ing? No. So the total question itself it is wrong, and you can check from here. Leave this first auxiliary verb and check the sentence. Sailu finished her work yesterday. It means there is no auxiliary verb. Can you find any auxiliary verb here? Sailu finished her work yesterday. There is no auxiliary verb. So if there is no auxiliary verb means which rule we need to use? Yes, we need to find out. We need to use the second rule, that is with the help of the do form verb we are going to make the question. So here they are talking about the past time, that is yesterday. So here we are going to use the past time verb of do form, that is did. So I am going to write the answer did. In place of this is, I am going to write did. Then all other sentence will come as it is. Did Sailu. Sailu is the subject. Then main verb finish. Her work yesterday. So did Sailu finish her work yesterday? It is the correct form of the question to this sentence. Okay, so did Sailu finish her work yesterday? Because it is talking about the past time and we have used the past time do form verb only. Okay, so now let's do the third one. Do you see the new stadium? Do you see the new stadium? You leave this do. Check the main verb. Which is the main verb here? Seeing only. Okay, is there any auxiliary verb here? No. So here the verb seen means it's talk about the past participle form only. Here they are talking about the past participle form only. Do you remember where I have used past participle? Yes, past participle always comes with the have family only. Okay, when we are using the have form verb means there will be a verb that is called as past participle only. So here it means we need to use have form verb only. So it may be, the answer may become like you have seen the new stadium. Okay, you have seen the new stadium. So we need to use have form only, not the do form verb here, because this scene it definitely comes with the have form only. So the question will comes like have. Instead of do we need to use have. Then all other verb, instead of this do we need to use have, and all other verbs will come as it is. Have you seen the new stadium? Is the correct form of question. Have you seen the new stadium? Remember that if the main verb acts as the past participle, if the main verb comes like the past participle form, then we have to use the have form verb only. Okay children, okay, let's do the fourth one. Do the birds making their nest? Do the birds making their nest? You leave the first auxiliary verb, first word. Now read out the birds making their nest. So can you find the main verb here? Yes, that is making. And you can find that the verb making, it ends with ing. So which form of auxiliary verb ends with which comes with the main verb by ending ing? Do you remember? Yes, only the be form verbs will come with the main verb which ends with the ing. So here definitely this making have come with the be form verb only, not the do form verb. So here the birds means it is the plural only, and do it's talk about the present time. So what is the present time plural form be form verb? Yes, that is are. So in place of do I am going to write are the birds. All other words comes as it is. Are the birds making their nest? Are the birds making their nest is the correct form of this question. So remember that if you find the main verbs ends with ing means definitely it has come with the be form verb only. Okay, like am, is, are, was, were only. And here this do stands for the present time. Then it means they are talking about the plural present time verb only, that is are we have used. Are you clear with this children? Okay, let's learn about the fifth one. Had you go to the museum every Monday? Had you go to the museum every Monday? So in the question itself I told you, in the third question itself I told you, when we are using have form verb, then the main verb should comes like past participle form only. So here the main verb go, it comes as the base form only. There is no change between with the main verbs. Here the main verb is go and there is no change, right? It comes as the base form only. So here we no need to use the had form verb. Then what is the correct? So you can check now. Leave this first word. Now read out. You go to the museum every day. So here can you find any other auxiliary verb here? you go to. So can you find the auxiliary verb before the main verb? No, there is no auxiliary verb. So if there is no auxiliary verb in a sentence, which rule we need to use? First one or second? Yes, second rule, that is we need to use do form verb only. So here we should not use have form because there is no auxiliary verb. So here this sentence is go means it is a present time verb only. So here we are going to use the present time do form verb. For the you, for the subject you, we need to use do only. So in place of had, I need to write do, and all other will come as it is. That is the subject you, go to museum every Monday. Clear, children? So there is no auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary verb means we need to apply the second rule, that is we need to use do form verb only, and this sentence has comes with the subject you, and also it's talk about the present time, that is why we have used do form verb only, that is the do only. Okay, let's do the last one. Or your friend left, or your friend left. If we are using the be form verb means what I said, the main verb should end with the ing only, but here the main verb it is like left. This leaves past participle form is left only. Okay, so here we should not use are. So when we are using past participle as the main verb, which form we need to use? Yes, have form only, and definitely it has comes with the have form only. So the question will comes like with the have form. So your friend means we are talking about the single person and in the present time. For the single person present time we use has only. So the answer will be comes like has your friend left is the correct question. Has your friend left? It means we are talking about the friend which has left just now only, and left is the past participle. That is why we have used have form. And in the answer we can say that yes, my friend has left. My friend has left. So always the past participle will comes with the have form verb only. Okay. So that's all, children. There is one more question that you need to try by yourself. So remember that there is two rules to change to make question with the usage of auxiliary verb. If there is an auxiliary verb which comes with the main verb means you need to use the first rule, that is you need to first write the auxiliary verb and then subject and then only all other things. Suppose if there is no auxiliary verb and the auxiliary verb acting as the main verb means that you need to use do form verb according to the time of the action. Then do form verb, subject, then all other words. Okay, I hope you are clear with this video, children. So there is one more question you need to try by yourself only. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.